Amazing world class learners, I am welcoming you to another English class. I am Miss Rebecca. Today we'll be talking about sentences. Sentences. I hope you are ready. Let's see the definition of a sentence. What is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words that make sense. It means when you have a group of words that does not give you any meaning or that does not pass to you a complete meaning, such group of words cannot be referred to as a sentence. So, a sentence is a group of words that make sense. I hope you got that. Before we can observe some examples of sentences, let's quickly look at the types of sentences. And in this lesson, we'll be talking about four types of sentences. Number one, we'll be talking about declarative sentence. Sentence. Declarative sentence is a statement that tells us something. A declarative sentence tells us something. For example, I like ice cream. He goes to school every day. He has two cars, and so on. All these sentences I gave are telling us one thing or the other, and they are what? Declarative sentences. And another type of sentence we'll be talking about here is the question sentence. Question sentence, otherwise known as interrogative sentence. The question sentence is used for asking something. Is used for asking something. For example, do you like pet? What is your name? How old are you? All these are asking to know one information or the other. So they are referred to as question sentence. And another type of sentence is the command sentence. The command sentence, which is also known as the imperative sentence. The command sentence, as the name implies, is used for giving a command. For giving a command. For instance, eat your food. As you can see the mother instructing her child in on the screen to do what? To eat her food. A teacher can also request her learners to sit down there, keep quiet. All these are commands and they are referred to as command sentence or imperative sentence. And lastly, we'll be talking about exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence. This type of sentence is used to show a surprise or excitement. Maybe you are surprised at something or you are excited. So, your expression at that moment is called exclamatory sentence. For example, wow, the ice cream is yummy. Oh my God, that's a beautiful performance. So, we use exclamatory sentences to show surprise or excitement. My world class learners, I hope you had an amazing time learning about sentences and types. If you have any question, hit the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.